How to select your major or minor. Identifying your interests, strengths, and passions helps you choose academic subjects that truly engage you. Finding what fascinates and motivates you can guide you toward a fulfilling educational path. For example, if you love reading and writing, an English major might be a good fit, while curiosity about human behavior could lead you to psychology or sociology. Researching different majors helps you understand the coursework, skills, and challenges involved in each field. It also reveals potential career paths and job opportunities related to various majors. This process allows you to choose a major that matches your strengths and interests or helps you develop new, valuable skills. Guidance counselors help students understand the career options linked to different majors. They use self-reflection and assessment tools to help students identify their strengths, weaknesses, and passions, ensuring a good fit with their chosen field. Academic advisors also clarify course requirements and challenges, assisting students in creating a realistic academic plan. Different majors offer varying levels of earning potential, job security, and growth opportunities. It's important to choose a major that aligns with your long-term goals, such as career advancement or further education. Additionally, selecting a flexible major can help you adapt to changes in the job market. Remember, choosing a major is an important decision that can shape your college experience and future career. Take your time to explore your interests and strengths before making your choice.